Upgrade a host unit, but which model to choose? Today I will upgrade my 2012 Jetta 1.6 automatic. Firstly, when you want to upgrade, the first thing you need to consider is your needs. We won't talk about the host units like Android screens today, just about the factory car's radio issue. First, it must connect via Bluetooth. Second, it should support USB for playing music. Third, it supports CarPlay. Fourth, support for rear-view cameras. Right. Looking at my needs, currently the family has been driving for a few years. We don't need a rear-view camera, but the original host unit in the car supports USB but not Bluetooth. Without Bluetooth, it's a bit limited. So my requirement is it just needs to support Bluetooth. Then anything that works with a USB stick is fine. I don't need a big screen because I don't need a rear-view camera. There is a miraculous hosting unit on the market. It's the one I'm holding right now called RCN210 and ICE. This host unit is quite magical and nice. First, it supports Bluetooth. Can read the phone book, can also check songs on AUS bin list form. Although its screen is small, but its features are comprehensive. It also supports CDSD, card playback, and AUX input. The key is it's a factory-style host unit. The most important thing is the price. I bought it for $99. I've posted the purchase link in my description. If you're interested in my modifications, please follow me. Thank you.